welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you guys like this video. So first things first, you have to moisturize your face, and what I like to do if I have is put on a mask sheet. So half of the products that I'm gonna use is gonna be birthday gifts that I got from my best friends. So anyway, so now that I'm finished with that, so since I use the mask, I want to put a moisture cream. I have Believe True Cream that I got from one of my best friends called Jo Marie. Let's focus on my eyebrows. Now I have NYX is in the shade black, because and I just do it very lightly. That's really all I do. Like, you can't really even see the difference. Like, you can see it kind of. So now that I'm done with my eyebrows, you put eyebrow gel. So we're gonna let that dry, you know, sit in. This is why I hate my eyebrows. It's always like that one little. The eyelid primer from Morphe that I got from my BFF Christelle. And I'm gonna try to do a cut crease, so I don't know if I have to use the primer or the concealer. We're gonna use a blending brush, and I'm gonna use the Kylie brush that came with the peach palette. So I'm gonna be using the shade called Punch Me. We're gonna use the same brush, and we're gonna go with let me use a all right, now that we're done with this mess, I'm gonna try to actually find a warm brown that so what we're gonna do is try to blend it a little. So now I have to blend it with an orange. I might do it with the color called Code James. I'm gonna use the same Kylie brush. So I'm hoping it will look, you know, good. So the next step is cut crease, and I'm nervous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the concealer. The concealer that I like to use, or the only one that I have, is from Tarte. So I'm gonna be using this BH Cosmetics brush number 8, and I think I just put a lot, but God, I'm so scared. I just noticed that you're supposed to like take out what's there and then you do it. So now the question is, do I do it the same way I did it here over here, or do I want to do it different and see how it affects your eyeshadow? So I think I might just do that to see like if there's an actual difference. Okay, so I'm struggling. Maybe because the primer, right? Oh god, this is a mess. I hope you guys like this. I just know a lot of people are gonna talk to me. I don't know if I could curse here. Now that I have created this mess, and I don't know if I'm supposed to put setting powder. I might put a tiny bit. I'm using Laura Mercier. I'm not even sure how long I'm supposed to leave the setting powder, but that's fine. So I'm gonna be using the black shade called Spooky. And I'm gonna put it like, I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush. Alright, so now that I did that, I will use a brown color and put it here. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R palette. It's called Epic. Well, I'm just gonna use this one again. So now we need to blend it, and I'm gonna use this to like blend it. If I could just show y'all the picture, y'all gonna be like, girl, you're not even close. So like, what we're gonna do now is glitter. So this look, I want to use the color Sleek, a shader brush from BH Cosmetics, of course. So now we're gonna see how do I get rid of this mess, because this right here is not even bad. Ooh, this is a challenge. So what can I do now is just add brown. Like you see now, this one doesn't even look bad. Alright, so I just put the lashes on and I did the eyeliner and it doesn't look that bad. So now I'm gonna move to the foundation.
So right here I'm just saying I used the same concealer, and now I'm going to use the NARS foundation.
Which is this one. This is the first time I will ever use this one. So for next time, I would just put a little bit, because I don't know why I just went crazy for no reason. I think I just went crazy because I had a so now that I put highlight, because I don't know how to contour, I'm just gonna put some lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. This one. I'll probably use this one, but maybe this one will be better. So I'm using Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Glow lip gloss, and I got this from my cousin slash best friend Taisha. She really snapped, and she got me the foundation also. Like that ain't cheap. So she snapped with that because that is the perfect lip gloss that matches this look. So thank you, Taisha. All right, so this is the final look. I did not expect it to look this good, or at least like decent, or whatever this is called, because as yeah, saw I was struggling. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching it. You know, just leave me feedbacks, like tips for the lashes and where to go buy them, and like just stuff like that. So you guys could tell, and y'all can see throughout the video, these are not it. Or at least like I don't know how to put them on. So give me a little subscribe, you know, subscribe and comment and stuff, you know.